Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Kim. I film motherhood and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today's video is just going to be a relaxing clean with me. My house is in desperate need of a good cleaning. Not quite a deep clean, but for the past week all three of my boys had a cold, so during that time I didn't do much cleaning around the house. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing before you leave, and don't forget to click the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. The first thing that I'm going to start with is laundry. I usually never start with laundry, but today, since it's getting piled up, I'm going to put a load in before I head downstairs to clean the kitchen. And the detergent that I'm using today, it's a new one. It's by the brand All. They're Stain Lifters Mighty Packs, and I got it because it said perfume free and dye free, which I like to use in my detergent, especially for the boys' clothes. Next, I'm gonna get started on the kitchen, so I'm just going to empty out the dishwasher and put all of the dishes away. Guys, let me know, are you the type to make dishwater in your sink, or do you just let the water run and you clean the dishes like that, or do you just rinse off your dishes and just put them in the dishwasher? I'm kind of old school when it comes to that. My mom just taught me to make dishwater and wash your dishes by hand, but I also do put them in the dishwasher as well. Now I'm just gonna dry the bigger dishes that I don't put in the dishwasher. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoy this video, or if you enjoy cleaning type of motivational videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up as well. Now, after every time that I clean the kitchen, I have to clean out my sink just to get any food out or any leftover anything. I always like to scrub out my sink. Next, I'm gonna clean off my countertops, and you guys, I ran out of my Method multi-purpose cleaner, so I'm actually just using a little bit of bleach and some water in that spray bottle. I rinse it out and just put a little bit of bleach and water in there, and that's what I'm gonna use to clean off my countertops, and it works just fine until I run to the store and grab some more of that Method. That's one of my favorite cleaners. Alright, so next I'm just going to organize our little homeschool supplies. I do homeschool my boys, and they're only 2 and 4, so our homeschool stuff is not extensive yet, but I'm just going to organize it because we did have it out earlier. Next, I'm going to clean up my living room. You see my son is on the couch right now, and he's still getting over a cold, so he's just chilling and relaxing. And then the other one in the corner of there, Kai, he's kind of helping me clean up, but then he's also playing with his toys as well. So I'm just gonna clean up my living room, pick up all the toys. Next, I'm going into the office to pick up all of the toys on the floor. The office gets so dirty during the day when I'm working, and honestly by the weekend I just don't feel like cleaning it, so sometimes I just leave it. But now I'm just going to clean it up. I'm going to clean off the desk as well and organize the drawer. I do have a drawer for diapers and wipes, in the office, so it's easier for me when I'm working during the day if I have to change a diaper or anything like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean off the desk as well. Now I'm gonna give the office a good vacuum. If you saw my floors up close, there's so many crumbs and snacks just from, you know, during the day, the boys eat snacks. And this vacuum that I'm using is a Shark. We've had it for maybe a year and it works so good. Definitely so good. Not as pricey as a Dyson, but it works really, really good. Our carpets feel like new after we finish vacuuming. So I'm gonna also give my hallway a nice vacuum as well. Laundry is never ending. Oh my gosh, never ending, especially when you have kids. It's never ending. So I just threw all of the clothes here in the office on the floor, and I'm just gonna fold the clothes up and put it into piles and just put it away. I try to stay on top of laundry now so that it just doesn't get overwhelming. So when it comes out of the dryer, that's what I try to do. I try to fold all of the clothes and to reduce wrinkles, honestly, so I don't have to iron as much. I'm gonna clean my bathroom. The master bedroom is already clean. I made sure I kept up with that. So the master bedroom is already clean, so I don't have to clean that, which is great. You guys, that concludes this relax and clean with me. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at honestboymom, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.